Horses out, we have true to form, pass to begin, Danari inside, Shanana, moving up party out, so now is Arranque, then followed by Yellow Cat, Iwo Jima, Bronze Ace, Class Act, King Theodore, then followed by Blind G, and Arranque is the early trailer, Rider Raon, going along, for the first turn, we have true to form, Menori outside is Arranque, Shanana is Danari inside third, Iwo Jima is down in fourth, then followed over now by Bronze Ace, Yellow Cat also moving up, King Theodore. Then comes Flying G, Classic, and Raon still racing in last. And it's still true to form by Abaranay, Kanori outside is Arranque, Iwo Jima in third, Shanana in fourth, and here comes Bronze Ace, Yellow Cat, King Theodore, then followed by Raon, Flying G, and Classic. True to form, Arranque is already outside to take the lead. It's now Arranque, true to form is running by Drell, and in 30, Wajima, Bronze Ace moving up, King Theodore, Blind G, as they come down to the last 150. We have Arranque, this time by about 3 lengths, moving up now to take second, Iwo Jima, King Theodore, then followed by Classic, but it's still Arranque by about 6 lengths over Blind G, and finally it's Arranque. Flying G, then comes Classic, King Theodore, number 7, Iwo Jima.
7516. Ano kaya mo?